All right, everybody, I am so excited. Today we have an incredible video in store for you guys. We're in the kitchen of my dear friend, Dr. Elizabeth, 66 years young, glowing, vibing high, just living her best life, so much good energy. And we want to learn all the keys to aging our best. So we did just that in one of our last videos, which I'll link below. And today, we know it's not all food, but a lot of it is food. And this is a real key drink for you, right? For looking good, aging our best.
I love this drink, and it's delicious. It tastes really, really, really good. It's my secret chocolate drink, but not chocolate in the sense of bad chocolate, chocolate in the sense of all raw vegan and super, super healthy. We're gonna go ahead, the base we're gonna use is cashew. So the little secret I do is you rinse your cashews, and then what you do is you soak your cashews, then I put them in the freezer. Oh.
Too frozen, guys. We gotta wait a few minutes.
This is why I don't do food videos.
Oh my goodness, it's real. We love you, Elizabeth.
I'm always doing something. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Yeah, we'll do it together.
Oh, there we go.
Perfect. Okay, so here we go. Careful, we don't want to lose it.
Go.
We need every single one.
Okay, so you put them in the freezer. I've never heard of this. Why?
Because it acts almost like ice, and it makes it a lot thicker and a lot. And the cashews are really rich, and cashews are great for you. And it just makes the milk, instead of like, a lot of people will buy store-bought milk. This is so easy to make and so easy to use. Oh, and if you're on a budget, what you do is you buy cashew pieces instead of the whole cashews because they're more economical.
Okay, good point. I didn't know that.
Now, we're gonna take that's about a cup of cashews. We're gonna take about 2 cups of water, and then we're gonna take some dates. I kind of just usually eyeball stuff.
So do you drink this almost every day or a lot?
Every day. In fact, what I do is I take this drink with me to the gym, and it really fuels my workout, and it's really good.
It's working because your muscle, and I felt your stomach is literally
it's not bad, right?
Rock hard. Yeah. Goals.
Yeah, I'm gonna challenge Lou to one of those planks because I can do it too.
And you know what? It's never too late, right? I'm 43. I haven't started any strength training, but it's not too late, right?
I'm gonna take you to the gym one time.
Okay, let's do it.
Well, next time you're here, that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah,
let's take you to the gym.
Good idea.
And George is gonna work you out. Oh,
good.
George is tough workout.
I'm excited.
Really good. We'll have a lot of fun. So I would say, guys, we're gonna do about 3-4 dates. I have a sweet tooth. I mean, really, let's be real. I really do.
And dates, a lot of minerals, iron, good nutrients.
Dates are magnesium, really, really good for you.
And cacao, I see so many things on Instagram all the time about it's supposed to be very anti-aging, right?
Cacao
like I know.
Is really good for you. Cacao is really good for you. And it also is a mood elevator. So it's amazing. So I'm gonna put a scoop of cacao in there. And then I like to get a little dash of maca, a superfood from South America. I always like to do just a little dash of that. Just a little bit. And you guys, adjust according to how chocolatey you want it or how sweet you want it. You can add more dates if you want. You might add a couple more dates.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna go like this. So I don't want it to explode everywhere. And you could leave it at this. And then what I add next is I add a little dash of agave. You don't have to, but if you like it sweeter, we do that. And then you could leave it like this, but what I do, because I drink this drink in the gym, is I do add plant-based protein powder. And so I add a scoop of the chocolate protein powder and a scoop of the vanilla, which really just gives it that really nice taste.
And what are the benefits you think you notice from this drink?
Oh my goodness, a lot of benefits.
Okay.
Okay, hang on. So, gives you tons of energy. When I drink this in the gym, in fact, we were working out and I said, he doesn't usually like to drink something when he's working out. I said, just take a sip of it. Okay,
yeah.
I'm gonna do a squirt of this. And after I did, he was like, wow, that gave me so much energy. So it's really good. Okay, let me just mix this up. And
oh, that tastes like a Wendy's milkshake. Remember those Frosties? But healthy.
But healthy. And wait till you put the ice in it. It's really good. Uh-oh.
That is so good.
Uh-oh.
10 out of 10. That's delicious.
Really? You really like it?
I love it.
It's really good.
And I like that you didn't have to put banana in it. You always feel like you have to put all these bananas. Lots of people like to not do bananas, so this is a great option for them.
And banana is great, and of course, sometimes we put it in yours, George. But here's the thing about the banana is that sometimes I want my chocolate without like a fruit. Like I just want, like sometimes chocolate-covered strawberries are great, but sometimes I just want chocolate. So it's the same thing here. This is like a pure chocolate, like smoothie slash, like you say, milkshake. And the more ice, guys, the more ice you put in it, the thicker it's going to be, obviously.
And chocolate, so chocolate is one of your pro-youth, because Elizabeth is so positive. We don't say anti-aging over here. So chocolate, and what would be 2 other foods that you say are like?
Oh, green juice every day.
Yeah.
Green juice and a superfood smoothie.
Okay.
I mean, that literally, he can tell you, every single day. Green juice in the morning. I also do lemon water first, then I have a celery juice, then I have a green juice, then I have a smoothie, and I have this.
This is my new routine. I'm doing this too. This is
If you opened up my cupboards, like over here, like there's no plates, there's just bottles that like
I love it.
like this. It's not liquid. And then we go to Wild Living Foods.
Yeah, Wild Living Foods, so good in LA, all raw.
So good.
Okay.
If you're the owner, come say hi to us. Will you please? We love you.
Love it.
Okay, here we go. Now, guys, now here's the other secret. Remember, you freeze the cashews, you add the ice. The other secret is...
How long do we freeze the cashews for?
I think a couple hours is good. They've been in there. I think they've been in there since last night. I prepped it last night.
Okay.
Frosty glasses is the other secret.
Smart.
So.
Sensational. I love it.
Sensational.
Ooh, we're in for a
Now,
treat. I'm in the mood for cacao.
So here's what we're gonna do. I know you love it already, but I'm gonna have you guys taste it. If you love it, then we'll fill it up, okay?
You want to come taste test it on the camera?
Oh, okay. And Gillian, here. I'm gonna pour yours up because I know you. I already know you're gonna love it.
Oh, I can tell. Delicious.
Okay, here.
Okay, taste test time.
Okay, my dear.
Thank
Wait.
you.
Hang on, I have a little crack in it.
Okay.
Oh wow! It does taste like a chocolate,
Like a Wendy's Frosty, but
we
better.
have like McDonald's. We have this in Australia, not Wendy's so much, but yes.
We don't have McDonald's in America. I'm joking.
I mean, that's where we got our chocolate milkshakes.
Perfect.
It sounds like you said chocolate something else shakes.
Really?
Little not PG for this channel. This is delicious, Dr.
Okay,
Elizabeth.
you ready?
Oh my gosh. I used to be against cacao. I used to think it was like a stimulant. Now I'm in my cacao era. This is incredible. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Wow.
Cheers.
Oh, wow.
To your health. You guys message me on Instagram, Dr. Elizabeth Live, if you make this and tell me if you guys like it, okay?
I promise you will love it. And go follow Dr. Elizabeth.
Please
Her
come say
page
hi.
is so inspiring. All these moves she can do. She's so fit. She's living her best life at almost 70 years young. Like, it's insane. So keep up the good work. We love you so much. Thanks
I
for
love you
sharing
too.
this
Cheers.
recipe. And I'll put it down below. And I'll put a good podcast we did on the screen right now. Go check that out. And we love you guys. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Love you guys. Ciao.